What are you doing, Sylvan?
Making lunch.
And what is lunch? No, what are you making?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Show me.
I'm not done yet.
Well, what did you do so far? Whoa, that did not turn out well. Let's take a look at that. Sylvan, what do you think? You still gonna eat it tomorrow? Oh, it's ho-ho, no. Uh-oh.
Yay, got that off.
Whoopsies. Okay, show me the sandwich. Ta-da! And that's for your lunch tomorrow? Pretty cool. High five. Wait, not the jelly hand. Here. Oh, man! Jelly hand!